Hello, if you want to remove widgets from the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then what you can do is press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you should see this option to remove the widget. So press it, and there you go, the widget is now gone. On the other hand, if you want to add a widget, then you want to press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then choose widgets at the bottom, and now over here you should be able to find all apps that have some sort of widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify, and now we can either just tap on the widget in order to reveal the add button, so you can press add in order to immediately add it, and then of course you can press and hold the widget and then drag it anywhere else that you wish to have it. Or what you can also do is you can drag and drop it from the list. So just press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you will see that you can just place it anywhere you wish it to be. So that works as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!